In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to invest on Opay Owealth. So since I've been using Opay, I've been also using the Owealth feature, and it's actually amazing. So I'm going to walk you through how I actually make use of the Opay Owealth feature, because any money I receive through my Opay account is actually going through my Owealth directly without anything. So I don't put money in my main balance, I put it in Owealth. So any day, anytime, no matter how much I actually have in my balance for the next 24 hours, I'm gonna earn a commission in the next morning. So you can see how amazing Owealth is. So how to go about it? So just open your OP app, whether you're on Android device or on iPhone. Then you can see Owealth right here, you can see. And if you are not seeing this Owealth right here, you can also click on more, then search for Owealth under all these features. So if I search for Owealth, so I'm just using this, I'm just doing this so that some people that can't see it will be able to see it this way. Right, so I'm gonna click on Owealth. So it's gonna take you down to this page right here. So here you can see autosave. I already autosave, so any money I receive, it will be going straight down to my Owealth autosave. So I will be earning commission. You can see yesterday interest was just 1 naira 51 cent, which means I really have much money inside my Owealth, or inside my Opay account to be precise. You can see available balance plus daily interest. So no matter how much I actually have, I'll definitely earn commission or interest the next day. So let me walk you through some features. So you can see right here the provided or the list but there is something I actually want you to see. So you can see, for example, if you deposit 5,000 today and do not withdraw from it before 11 p.m. the next day, your net inflow will be confirmed as 5,000 and will start yielding interest on the morning of the third day. However, you should withdraw 2,000 before 11 p.m. the next day. The next inflow eligible for interest will be 3,000 here. So and this is my total interest, I guess, maybe for this month. But there is one particular thing I want you to check on the transactions. Let me view all, I guess. It's okay, it's loading. So oops, this is not it. But then you can actually save to your Owealth directly. So you can see I have money right there, and I already turn on autosave, so it will be saving my money automatically. You can also follow the same process, and I believe that is exactly what you're looking for around Owealth auto invest or Owealth invest, and then you'll be able to earn commission every day, no matter how much you have in your balance. So that's how it works.